Okay, I'm going to go over the batteries that I'm using on my planes here. The Twin Tundra has a 2200 milliamp hour 4-cell graphene battery. The Tidewater is using a 2200 milliamp hour 3-cell Turnigy. Okay, Hobby King Skipper with a 1.3 3-cell. So that's what I've been using, the graphene 1.3 3-cell. Rudder doesn't do much if you give it too much throttle. Found that out. The rudder just lifts out of the water when you give it too much throttle, and then it won't do anything. So if you're going to steer in the water, you got to do it very slowly. All right, let's see which way the wind's going. Okay. Got it full up elevator. There it is. So one viewer suggested that I might want to add some flaperon mix so that the skipper can take off more easily and not have that abrupt nose up. That would give me some flaps that I could put on a knob or a switch. I like that idea, and I might try that at the spring float and fly coming up next year. So let's just bring it in and check it out. Oh, thanks for the bath there. I have a radio on. See? You know, my plane was acting funny, like somebody's radio had control of it. Started doing stuff.
Who's we got? Oh, I'll just now turn it on. Okay.
Is it mine? I noticed my plane when it was in the air, all of a sudden doing funny things like somebody took control of it. And seems to be all right now. I think the reason for the sticky takeoff with this Skipper is because it had some nose damage when I first got it. I didn't have it set up right and it crashed into the ground. And then I repaired the nose the best I could, but I think it's still somewhat malformed, and that causes trouble when it tries to take off. Yeah, it's doing pretty good now. I felt like I had some radio interference there. I don't have my glasses on though, so I'm having trouble seeing. I should have put my glasses on. Having to squint a little bit to see. Let's bring it around here. Maybe I can land and go get my glasses. Woo!
I took in trim tabs, so that's all you can do with them spin.
That's better. Now I can see. I don't want to turn around there. Like this. Doesn't want to turn very good unless you go slow. And it doesn't want to come off out the water as easy. There we go. Yeah, it's flying good now. Especially since I can see now. I'm surprised I can fly at all without my glasses. I think I got a quadcopter over my head. He's up there. Yeah, it's flying fine now. I just believe it was radio interference. Oh, that's not Barney. Geez, those motors. That's not Barney. That's a unique Q500, I think. There we go. I was afraid I was going to run into the unique there for a minute.
Yeah, I was probably out of your way.
Using those, hard to tell. Is it ever going to lift off? There it goes. Whew. Ever get where your thumb's about to slip off the finger? Nice. Now go! It's not a touch and go, that's a land and go. Readjusting, right? Been sitting around a while.
The fuel tank had a leak in it this morning.
Oh, it did. Okay.
And, I had to put a big long water bottle in it.
Ah, okay, so it's been modified a little bit. Okay, Tidewater time. 2200 milliamp hour battery, 3-cell.
That one's caught water. Prop caught the water, and I assumed it just sucked it into the engine.
All right, bringing it around. Will it do a roll? Not very good. No, I don't have enough. Don't have enough throws on it to do a roll. Okay, gonna fly the Tundra. This is a 2200 milliamp hour 4-cell graphene battery.
I'm gonna bring you a drink though.
Well, you can just leave my, oh yeah, just put it there, yeah. Now if I remember correctly, it works best with one click of flaps. I'll get it out there first.
Differential. You're gonna drive in the water then fly.
A little bit. Alright. Didn't take long. Runs nice at half throttle with that 4-cell. And it's got one click of flaps.
Oh, come on. That must be crooked on it.
I'll give it full throttle and pull full up elevator. Maybe that'll work. There you go. Yeah, I don't know if I helped or not, but that's what I do with mine.
Just, yeah,
Don't give it a chance to dig in.
Yeah, just don't give it a chance to get in.
Just floating. I got one click of flaps on.
I do too. It just doesn't like to fly without the flaps on.
I kind of agree. It seems like it does it. Yeah, goes too fast too.
I need to work on my flaps. See, I'm gonna turn them off.
Go.
Oh, and it just noses down. I gotta.
You can go a lot faster though. I think it's fast enough with the flaps on for me. Ooh. Let's see if I can land it at all. Not yet though. I don't trust it yet.
Yeah, it ain't much for touch and goes and stuff.
Kind of got to make a long landing with these, I think. That's what I do with mine. Just do something like this. Just. Oh. Yeah, that was a little too long a landing. Got one of those triple mid-air collisions. Try another landing. That's smooth. Let's try take off from here. Oh yeah, no problem. I got the Firefly 8 SE with a 90-degree field of view. So it just has a tendency to go one way or the other. Or, yeah. 2 Twin Tundras. And coming around again. Decreasing throttle. Very little throttle now.
While you're standing there, I'll let you pick your number. Just to pick your number out of there. And
all right. Got one. See what the battery voltage is. Looks like 15.26. It's really hard to see, but that's what it is for a 4-cell.